Welcome, children. It is Madame Gazelle, and today we're going to learn fun facts about fruits and vegetables. Like, what is the largest lemon in the world? Or what is the hottest pepper out there? Or how many pounds of lemons are on an average tree? Stay tuned to learn about all these fun facts, and we will also be doing some cooking as well in our fun kitchen with Peppa Pig, Susie Sheep, and Daddy Pig. Stay tuned to this wonderful learning video on cooking and fruits and vegetables. Oh boy, let's get started. So, Peppa, what is the first thing we need for making lemonade? Oh, we need lemons. That is right. Making lemonades is pretty easy. I think we will just need 3 ingredients: lemons, sugar, and water. All right. So let's get to making lemonade as our first item, and then we'll learn some fun facts about lemons. Okay, Teacher Rich, why don't you help us make some lemonade? All right. First thing we need, of course, is the lemon. So let's wash it first in the sink. And then let's go and cut it in half. Here we go. All right, we cut it in half. We have to take out some of the seeds as well. Next, all we really need is a cup. So all we really need is the lemon. So let's squeeze that in there. Some more lemons in there as well. And then let's get some sugar. All right, we have some sugar here. Let's put a whole tablespoon, maybe another tablespoon in there. And finally, we need to add some water. And then we could mix it up. And that is lemonade. That is excellent. So we have a great, nice, big cup of lemonade. So let's learn about lemons really quickly first. So let's learn some fun facts about lemons. The first fun fact is that each tree averages about 600 pounds of lemons per year. So that's pretty amazing. See how much lemonade you can make, or you can use lemons for cooking or for desserts. The other thing about lemons is that they are very, very high in vitamin C, so they provide 51% of your daily recommended value in vitamin C, just in one lemon. Finally, the largest lemon was 11 pounds and 9.7 ounces. That's a huge lemon, as you can see in that picture above on the top right. Teacher Rich, take it away. All right, so let's get a couple different ingredients. First, we'll need some corn. We'll get some carrots, a pumpkin, and a little bit of jalapeno to make it a little of And we can also add some chicken noodle soup. So first, we're going to need to wash and cut all of the vegetables. All right. There we go. So first up, let us cut the jalapeno. Let's cut that up. All right, there it is. We'll put it into this pot for now. 2 jalapenos. Next, we've washed the carrots, so let's cut that up. Put that into the soup. And then we also have our corn. Let's cut that up. All right, put that in there. And then we have the pumpkin. Cut up the pumpkin as well. Put it in there. And then let's put in some of that chicken soup. So let's put that plate over here. Chicken soup, put that in there. Maybe let's put in some pepper. Okay, maybe some garlic powder. I think that will be good. And lastly, let's put in some salt. All right. So next, let's go over here and put it on to our oven over here. And let's cover it. Let's maybe separate it a little bit more. Let's cover that and turn it on. And that will need to cook for about 45 minutes. But it's gonna be some delicious chicken vegetable soup. All right. Okay, I think we are all done. Let's take a look. It is all done and it looks delicious. Wow. So now let's take a quick pause to learn about some of these vegetables and fruit and learn some of the fun facts about them.
So Teacher Rich, what can you teach us about some of these fruits? Like, what's so interesting about them? I remember you saying there's some cool fun facts, like the largest pumpkin. What's the largest sized pumpkin? Things like that.
All right, well, let's start out with that. So the first vegetable we're going to learn about is the pumpkin. Let's learn some fun facts about pumpkins. So pumpkins, they come in very different colors, from orange, which is the most popular, to white, green, and even blue. The largest pumpkin, heaviest pumpkin, with a record of 2,749 pounds. Wow, look how huge that pumpkin looks. Finally, pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, which is antioxidants, potassium, and vitamin C. So a lot of these vitamins are really good for your blood pressure. The next vegetable we're going to learn about, which is a fun favorite of rabbits all around, is the carrot. So fun facts about carrots. Carrots, the heaviest carrot ever recorded. The world record was 22.44 pounds. To give a little bit of a better visual, look how big that carrot is compared to that can of soda on the right. Another fun fact is that 87% of the carrot is water, and carrots grow underneath the ground, as you can see from the picture in the middle, and then you basically pull up the carrot to be able to harvest it. Finally, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, antioxidants, and they're good for your eyes, bones, teeth, and skin. And then we're going to learn about 3 fun facts about the jalapeno. We'll learn what is the spiciest jalapeno, some other fun facts. Fun facts about jalapenos. So jalapenos, they commonly come in different colors, green, yellow, orange, and they are generally spicy. There's some jalapenos that are not very spicy, but there are others that are very, very spicy, but typically known for their spiciness. They're rich in vitamins A, C, potassium, and beta-carotene as well, so they are very, very good for your body, and they can protect it from all sorts of different diseases. Now you might wonder, what is the spiciest or the hottest jalapeno? It used to be the Carolina Reaper, but now it is the Pepper X. You can see the green and tinges of orange and yellow. That is the hottest pepper recorded ever. And finally, we'll learn about corn. I know everyone likes corn on the cob, sweet corn. We'll learn about that as well. Next, let's look at corn. Let's learn some fun facts about corn. They're high in carbohydrates and fiber, so they provide a lot of energy, and you can taste that a lot of times through the sweetness of corn. So who are the largest producers of corn? The United States is number 1, and that's followed by China and Brazil. And what's one other thing that can be produced from corn is popcorn. So when they're dried and there's enough moisture and you add enough heat and pressure to the corn, it pops up and it looks like the popcorn you see on the left, and you add some salt and it is delicious. Madame Gazelle, can we eat some fruits after that chicken vegetable soup? Absolutely, Peppa. Oh boy, I love all sorts of fruit, but some of my favorite are melon, mango, and grape. So let's go ahead and wash the fruit up, cut up some of the fruit, and learn about it. Okay, Teacher Rich, take it away. Take it away. All right, so we have the different fruits that Peppa was talking about. We have mango right here. So let's wash that, put it over here. We also have this melon here, a little different type of melon. And then we also have grapes. And grapes, I know we're using the pretend grape, but it's sometimes good to pluck the grapes off and put them in the water. Sometimes you can wash it a little bit cleaner. So first off, let us cut that mango, shall we? All right, let's cut that mango. Here we go. Cut that mango. There it is, 2 pieces of mango. Put that to the side. Next one is we'll cut the melon up. It's always nice. Cut it into big pieces or small pieces. Whoa, that melon just flew away. All right, we got the 2 pieces of melon as well. This is more pretend, but we will cut up the grapes as well. We usually just pluck them off the vines, and that will work as well. So now we have cut those up. But why don't we learn some fun facts about the grape? We're going to learn some fun facts about grapes. So grapes are known as nature's candy because of their sweetness. There are over 10,000 kinds of grapes, different varieties. I know at the supermarket you might see the green grape, the globe grape, maybe the purple grape, but there are so many different ones out there. Personal favorite is the muscat grape. If you ever have a chance to try that out, very fragrant, sweet grape, you go in and try it out. And grapes, they're used for making wine. Dried grapes, those are raisins, and then also very popular is grape jam that can be made out of grapes. So a lot of great foods made out of grapes. And then we'll learn some fun facts about the melon. The cantaloupe. Let's learn some fun facts about the cantaloupe. So it's named after Cantaloupe, Italy. The seeds were planted. They arrived from Armenia, planted there. So that's where the cantaloupe gets its name. You can see how delicious it looks. And they're typically grown on the vine, on the ground. So you can see that in the picture on the ground, and they're just attached by a vine. Full of vitamin A and antioxidants. There's also a lot of water content, so you can eat a good amount of watermelon and feel full and also get all those great vitamins. So cantaloupe, pretty amazing melon. And finally, we'll learn some fun facts about the mango. Now, fun facts about the mango. One of the sweetest fruits, you can see that in the picture, and sometimes people will slice them up, cut them into horizontal and vertical lines, and then you can kind of pop it up and eat it. Sometimes it's easier to eat like that, but some other people will peel the mango and then slice them up and eat them in pieces. So on average, if you were to plant a seed, it takes about 5 to 7 years to bear fruit. And there's a picture of the mango there, and there's just all sorts of different varieties of mangoes. Who is the largest producer of mangoes? 50% about on average are harvested and produced in India, and they have such a large population. Most times they are also consumed in India. So those are your fun facts on mangoes. Hello, I'm back. I was thinking that I am craving some vegetables, as I am Madame Gazelle, and we love vegetables. Can we cut up and wash some vegetables too? Some more vegetables, Madame Gazelle? Yep, we can. And I know you had some interesting ones you wanted to try. We got snap peas, And we have something called the bitter melon. The bitter melon. So let's wash those. Here. And let's cut those up. All right. Okay, let's put it onto the cutting board and let's cut up the bitter melon. All right, there we go, cut it in half. And then let's also cut up the snap peas. Usually 3 or 4 peas are inside. All right, got it apart. So, Madam Gazelle, you can eat those, but why don't we learn some fun facts about the snap pea? And let's learn some fun facts about the bitter melon. I mean, are there good nutrients in it? What kind of vitamins do you get out of these? Let's learn some fun facts about them. So, fun facts on snap peas, food that Madam Gazelle wanted to eat. So, they're typically crunchy on the outside. And there are edible pods, so little pods, as you can see in the picture. So sometimes there's 3, 4, 5, 6 pods in there that you can eat as well. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, so a fairly healthy vegetable to eat. And they are grown on bushes or on vines. So you can see there, this one is more looking like a bush, so that's how they grow. So they're not grown on trees, they're not a tree, but they are grown and they are on bushes and vines. All right, fun facts on the bitter melon. So they do have a strong bitter taste. So sometimes they're blended with other foods, sometimes bitter melon soup, sometimes bitter melon and pork is put together so they can kind of contrast each other. They're widely grown in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. You can see the plant that is there and what it looks like. And they are very healthy, so it helps in your health. They help you reduce your blood sugar levels, and they are rich in vitamin A and C. So the bitter melon, and some of the fun facts there. Well, I hope you learned so much about fruits and vegetables today.
Oh yeah, I love anything food related. It was so informational and yummy too.
Well, stay tuned next time for our next episodes as we learn more things and have a lot of fun. See everyone next time. Please like and subscribe.